Nigerian Petroleum Product Pricing Regulatory Agency don't increase. In fact, they don't come out with another one. According to them, they say they don't increase. In fact, they don't pump up the price of fuel. Omo, and this matter now where they talk about it, they come see 11 days after the National Petroleum Corporation release statement say they're not going to increase price of fuel. Now them tell us by themselves. Oh, nobody send a message, nobody ask them anything. They come on their own, they tell us this one. Now the latest one be this. They don't increase them to 212.61, and as at February last month, the price of this petrol where they talk about now 183.74. balance am. Last month, 183, now 212. Hey! Oh my people, wetin Buhari no fit do no dey exist. Anything where exists, it means say Buhari fit do am. Just imagine. So now me say all the things when people they talk that time, because when they come outside they tell us say they no longer they increase petrol price. Everybody come they happy. Some people even they talk say now because of election, now because of we never even finish the conclude. Like me myself, I still dey middle. I don't know whether to look at people where they talk say now because of election. I don't know whether to look at people where they happy or more. My people, we never even recover from that promise where they promise us. Now they just lamb us with another one. Chai! January petrol price 163. January 163. February 183. Now March 212. April, wait till they go come give us. The thing will just reach 500 naira April. Just 1 liter. Hey. I just the pity. In fact, the way I the pity, I'm not sure whether they even the pity us the way me I the pity us. Now things like this way as it they happen, it just they make me they miss Jonathan. It they make me they miss that man. I don't to say be perfect, but my people, no, make we balance. No, check before and now. Una know how they do those pictures. Before and now, check them. No, just check and go read about them. Then you go see what they talk about. Before, when the time where I know 87 naira per liter. 87. From 87 we enter 100. You don't enter this one. Now you don't reach 200. Next election. Una see this next election. All of una wait no say una dey under Buhari administration. APC, all of una know una self. Next election, una no go smell not to talk of election. Una no go smell am. So this period una get enjoy. See, make una better enjoy am. Enjoy am like say no go finish, because when time go reach for una to the beggars, now then we go know who be the champion on top this thing. Light B, they even increase light B. They increase light B as if say it no even there enough. Oh, now. You know say normally for Nigeria, if light no dey, if you dey Nigeria, you no get generator. Now be say I don't know which Nigeria you dey. Everybody for Nigeria get generator. Immediately they take light like this. He crawl. Pass me, I pass you. In fact, some people journey be like Okada we no work again. You never even that smoke go just full everywhere. See manage where people still they manage. They increase light. Ungwanu gen where we they manage now say okay oh. As they don't increase light, some people on top of that one they go increase fuel, and the light save. Light be where people they pay by people. They even they take the lights on off. You know even they stable. Una just want me we just kukuma run leave una for this country. Because una just they make matters worse. We don't even know which one we go country again. May everybody just go they buy candle. May we not say we don't feel like, you don't understand. Make una just see, they pity us. They pity us because see, job safe where person go say okay, oh, this thing where una they do, it go only favor rich people. Una not even they think of those people where no get money, those people where they are work now only to the fry things for road. How people like that want survive? How? No, make una tell me how. If truly una say una get heart. Now so they deceive you now. Now so They deceive una. When they come now, they go say change, vote for change, vote for next level, vote for this one. Una too, una go they run, they vote. Next time when una hear change, next level, nobody go tell una make una run. But while we they wait for that next time, all of una we no say una vote for these people. Make una enjoy this one where they brief for una. You understand? Enjoy your next level. Say Baba, say this one. Make una enjoy them. I don't want you see if you know say you vote for this man, I don't want to hear you complain. No, not even just try him because now all of una put us for this place. Now una bring all this thing upon Nigeria. They go tell una something una no go hear. Say Baba, they just bribe una with small granite. Una self go for, una go they go vote. No, continue. This one una go take until 2023. Oh. No worry. But we go survive, my people. We go survive. See, we have always survived. You understand? Now why I bring this matter? No one make una feel down. No go commit suicide. No go kill yourself. This one too small. We have seen things worse than this one. And we go still survive. Well, wait till they tell that it's jump and pass. We go jump and we go pass. You understand? So no feel depressed. Oh, allow them. May they enjoy. Now their time be this. We go still survive this one. We go still jump and pass. Time go soon. We go know who be who very soon. So make una just leave them. You understand? I know say this thing now. It go they affect many people, and I know. Trust me, I they feel na pain. But may we stay positive. You understand? Now I bring this matter here. So I beg anything you guys talk concerning this matter, drop them for that comment section. Share this video and subscribe. If not, you go to miss everything we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Federal government don't agree to pay Northerners for their losses during this food blockade. For now, when they are waiting, they happen. I remember this cow matter where we know they agree with all these Northerners. Because of that, they decide say because now them they supply food to the south. You understand all these onions, tomato, and plenty things. Because of that, they don't decide say okay, they know they supply anything again. They can't block everywhere. They think say we go die without them. So my people are started thought on now because they don't after they block the whole place, they don't lose. They know they say again nothing they happen. In fact, all the food just they stagnant. After they thought on now, federal government. Hey, don't according to Ran, you don't hey Chineke 4.75 billion naira. 4.75 billion naira now waiting there at stake here like this. So where government say they go pay them because they don't lose things, they don't lose. In fact, I beg you see, you know, no say me, I know they like they use my own words, they talk something. So I don't bring on the screen now. So join me, make we watch the video.
To give us time to discuss, we'll call all our members across the Federation. Before them, he's assuring to our members, inshallah, he follow this demand. Again, we thank for our brother Chief Mikayode. He is to this our problem, it cannot happen again. So we're very happy for him. We're very thankful for him. And we want to beg him to address for all governors of South, South, and Southeast. Everybody considering what our problem to push us to the nationwide strike. And he listened to what their government and Governor, Excellency Governor of the State, enter in between we and this this problem. So I'm very thankful for everybody. We need to peace in this country. We need peace in this country. We need to maintain peace in this country. We're Nigerian. Thank you very much.
Now them block food. Now they still they receive compensation. Which kind of madness be this one now? I bet see, make una not allow me remove box out. Because if I they remove her like this, I know they be myself. I feel just they misbehave. Last Nigeria now don't become joke. we don't become joke as we dey see am. Because see, if you kidnap a person, government will compensate you. If you terrorize citizens, government will compensate you. If you refuse to sell food, your food can't spoil, government will still compensate you. Ha! Danger. I smell danger everywhere. I beg, see, last, may they just flee this country. May everybody go your own way. Because see, we not do again. I don't tire. We not do. I beg, who send a message? No, I they ask. I be if any of una way they watch me, una discuss with Northerners. I be una tell them say do this one, no do this one. Who send a message? On your own, no, una decide say na this thing you go do. Una wake up, say okay, oh, now we know they supply them again because of this one, because of that one. As you no can't agree to do business again on your own, now your food, you know they sell it. This one don't happen. As this thing happen like this, now their eye don't open. Their eye don't open. Nobody send on a message, oh. Ha! Nigeria. Hey. I don't get heart attack so my heart save no space for it to break again. You don't over break. See, disappointment upon disappointment. I don't tire. Una no go believe say these people upon all this way that they do. Una remember the last time? No, on our way they into all these food things. How much be a basket of tomato before? Now, from 8,000 naira from 8, they don't reduce that to 150. No be there end though. And onions from 35,000, they don't reduce that now to 7,000. And when I go tell me say I send these people message upon all this reduction, they reduce, they remove, they reduce, nobody they buy. Upon all these things, they know they see customer we go say okay, I come buy this one. Make her laugh. Even food where they go from other countries, they go supply there, they lose money there too. No, no. See, I know some by now many of una go to say, ah, Madam Aproko, you talk this thing. I tell una, I no tell una. Make we see who go laugh last. Now wait, I tell una, I they remember am very well. Make we watch who go first come outside say he don't tire, he don't tire. Now they don't tire. Now like this, they don't see say we no fit do without, we fit do without them. They don't see am with their koro eye. Now they don't realize say their stupidity after the stupidity things where they just do. Now about chief farmers, now they bring peace and unity matter. They want settle Northerners and South people. They want settle them. Now when I start war, now when I still can't they lose the war. I don't say now nobody go need tell una say South people they fit do without una. Now una even need those South people. I also nobody need tell una by una own conscience as una old rich. Una need know by now. Say now una even need South people. Nonsense. Una go they carry show that they misbehave anyhow. Una feel say people no fit do with we don't fit do without them. Oh, they are our God. They supply us things. Una never see anything. My problem now with this government. Now me and them get serious problem. Now una know what it is 4.75. Like I no just understand. These people go they mention figures like say that na water we they carry from ground. I been a stone. Why you go compensate these people? Why? Make una tell me why you not suppose. I not just understand which work they do now. Which work these Northerners do now where they can't compensate them. The same people where just do stupidity. These same people now they compensate them. Meaning say they go do them again. If they feel do this nonsense and when they come outside, say when they give them because of their losses. Let's just give them because of their losses. They go still repeat this same nonsense again. Not be the same thing where they happen with kidnappers everywhere. Fulani people, they go just they key, they go they terrorize Southerners, they go they do this one. For how many years now we they suffer all these things? Who don't come compensate us? No, who don't come outside? All of una with the government. How many of una don't come outside and say, all these South people, una don't too suffer. So I beg, na 100 billion, all of una make una share. Una don't do it before. You know how many innocent people don't die for something where they don't even know anything about? Oh, they kill them. Nobody don't say, okay, these people wey die, may we go see their family, oh, they need help. Una compensate their families? Of course not. But now they compensate idiots. Idiots wey just wake up and out of their stupidity, they just decide that they block. May una not just allow me vex with una. No just try am. Now they compensate them. Continue. No, just continue, they go, they compensate. I no blame una. After all, the money una know they work for am. Una know they work for this money. Why una no just go they spend them anyhow? Go other countries and see whether they spend money like this. My people, now the compensation matter be this o. Serious compensation matter. Like say these people labor one kind huge labor. I be they go war where they win war. I no just dey understand. So I beg, anything where you guys talk concerning this case, because me I don't vex already. Start the dropper for that comment section. You understand? I go reply on a one by one. And make sure say you share this video so that the whole Naija go know wetin dey shele now. Before we know, and now we no go see any money again for our country already. Don't they broke already? You understand? And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you no go dey updated with all these things wey dey happen for our world. Stay tuned for our next story.